This 2024 Winnebago View 24J is a Class C RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features a Harmony Tuape Col Walnut with white interior, sleeps 3, smoke detector, refrigerator, slide-out, air conditioning, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, stove top burner, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.